Hey guys, welcome back to Radical Moment TV. If you're new to this channel, please click like, subscribe for more videos. And this is my new series which called Project Holy Land by Storm. And as you can see, we are on our way to Milk Grotto. Yay! This guy is a Palestinian and the king of the corn. They're very good at selling, I swear. This is the corn master. You can really see on the street, even the youngest kid. This one, I think this guy is selling the Santa Claus hat. King Corn. Yeah, they're very also welcoming. Filipina, I love you. They're shouting everywhere like that. We're on the street going to Milk Grotto, and as you can see, there's our Philippine flag waving. Again, let's continue walking. This is around 5 minutes walk from Nativity Church, and as you can see, ito si Manong gumagawa ng mga jewelry. Ngayon, maglalakad ulit tayo, and now we are here in Milk Grotto. We try to enter through here kasi ang daming tao. But yo, go back, it's closed. So close, kaya bumalik tayo. And now we're entering the Milk Grotto. Ayan, papasok na po tayo. We were actually escorted by this police. Grabe, no? Shalan. And ito po yung makikita natin pagpasok natin on our left side. It's the statue. And this is the place. This is Walid. He is our guide, a local guide from Bethlehem. And this is my group under AG Holy Land Tours. Ayan, dito po yung exact place where Mary and Joseph, when they're going to Egypt, kasi tumatakbo po sila or they're trying to hide from Herod's soldier. Kasi during that time, pinapapatay po lahat ni Herod yung mga bata when he heard that the King of Israel is born, or Jesus Christ is born. Dito po sila tumigil, nagpadede po si Mary kay Jesus Christ, and nahulog po yung gatas niya. And up to this days, this place believes to be a place na kung saan, kung magdadasal ka dahil gusto mo magkaanak, nangyayari po talaga siya. A lot of testimony around the world is proving that it truly happens po. So, till next video guys, see you!